going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. A lot of stuff going on today. We just got back from the trail and a lot of stuff on the truck is breaking. So a lot to do today. I just wanted to start off a little bit easier. I'll show you guys what we're doing in this video in a minute, but I just wanted to show you guys that my light bar broke off. You'll probably see it in the video that came out either a week before this or a week after this, but I made some aluminum brackets and those aluminum brackets failed. I just went through, I just bought some more like harder steel, and it's a little bit thicker. It's a lot a bit thicker, and I'm going to work on that sometime today, but next time you see the truck, the light bar will be back up there. Anyways, today what we're working on is the tailgate. If you've ever put a beer down on here and spilt a beer, or put your drink on there and spilt a drink, whatever you guys want to, whatever you guys put on the tailgate, you will know why this mod is necessary. So what we have here is the Snail Armor tailgate. Boom. Stickers and hardware. Oops. The stickers. Hardware bag. Some cool stickers right there. Who doesn't like stickers, eh? It should be a simple install. Just gotta take out a few Allen wrench bolts and we should be good. I lied, these aren't Allen wrenches, these are Torx wrenches. They are a T30 bit torque wrench. And of course, my only T30 bit is the one that's broken. Just slide this in here for a little bit. It says T30, but the T27 is the one that's working for this. The T30 was actually a little bit too big. Or maybe I'm just forcing my way through it, I don't know. Don't quote me on that. The torque bolts that you took off here, anywhere on the bottom, you won't need those bolts anymore. Torque screws up top are the ones you're going to need to keep for the Snail Armor. So this just pops off. If you take off all the screws, it should just pop off. That just pops off. Like so. Throw that to the side. You can take your Snail Armor. There's countersunk holes here. You want to make sure the countersunk holes are on the top, on the surface. If not, you're gonna have to take it off later. So you're just gonna slide this in underneath, like so. Line up all the holes as you would, and then just gonna reattach everything. For the rest of the holes, you're going to use the supplied hardware they gave you. These ones aren't a Torx, these ones are actually a Phillips head. Oh, I didn't even notice, but inside the hardware box, or inside the hardware bag, they give you a Torx. So if you don't have one, good on them, dude. So after you have all these screws screwed in, now you have a flat surface. Let's see if it closes, just to make sure. Closes normally. Opens normally. But the real test is, am I gonna spill my beer? Cheers. Nice. 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 So it doesn't have to be necessarily a beer, but you can see the issues, you know, with the old tailgate. Not just with beer, with like stuff you want to put on here. If you're at the range or something like that, it's nice to have a flat surface instead of that bumpy surface. So yeah, pretty nice. Shout out to Snail Armor. for this. This is sick. If you're interested in this product, I'll leave the description down the bottom. If you guys like it, hit that like button. If you guys have any questions about this, hit that comment section down below. I'll get back to you when I can. And if you want to see more install videos or any of our trail videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.